Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Are you missing important text notifications on your iPhone? Let's fix that so you don't have to miss a thing. Let's jump right in. The first step is to check Do Not Disturb or Focus mode. Head over to your settings app, then you go to Focus and ensure Do Not Disturb or other focus mode are turned off. Next step is to check notification settings for messages. Go to Settings. Next, you go to Notifications, then Messages, and make sure notifications are allowed. Toggle Allow Notifications on and choose your preferred alert style. The next step is to check your silent mode. Ensure your phone isn't on silent. Slide the ring/silent switch on the side of your iPhone to the ring position. The next step is to check your sound settings. Go to the Settings app, then you go to Sounds and Haptics, and you make sure the text tone is not set to none. Choose a tone you like. Another step is to restart your iPhone. Sometimes a quick restart fixes notification issues. Next, you update your iOS. Check for updates in Settings, then General, then you go to Software Updates and install any available updates. You can also reset all settings. Stay in the General, go to Reset, and you reset all settings. This won't delete your data but will reset your preference. You should also check for Bluetooth devices. If your iPhone is connected to Bluetooth, notification might be redirected. Disconnect Bluetooth device temporarily. And that's how you can fix text notification issue on your iPhone. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.